Good morning, students of class 8. In the previous class, I have taught you the components of this Windows. Now, we will explain the components separately. Okay, the Visual Basic environment consists of a blank form. Okay, for you to design your application's interface. A blank form is available here. This is the form where we design our application. We put labels and text box, all these objects we bring in the form and we design our application. The next is the project window, which display the file that are created. Project window, project 1 is here. This project 1 consists various files which you are creating in your project. Okay, so project 1 in the project 1 we are creating form 1. Next time, if form 1 is completed, then we will create form 2 and we can give a specific name in the form 2. The properties window, which display the properties of various controls. Now various this is properties window. Okay, plate. In this various options are available. If you will click on the form, then you will see various options of the form and you can set the properties. Okay, like appearance, auto draw, okay, black color, border styles, captions, all these things we can set. Captions allow us to rename the object and we can give appropriate name to our object. So by this way, VB has a tool that consists of all the controls essential for developing a VB application. Here all the controls are given here. So these are available. We can take all these controls objects in the form. Okay, so the control including text box, students, command box, command buttons, labels, combo box, pictures, etc. All these controls, these are the controls or objects are given here. We can we can design our form with the help of these all controls. Okay, objects we can take from the toolbox and we can create an attractive design in the form. After that, we can code our design, which coding we want to give in the design. I will show you later. First, click on the project item on the menu, then on the component item on the drop down list, and lastly select the control you want to use in your program. So first project, then in the form you can take all this. See here, this is the general toolbox is given here. First is pointer, this is the pointer and picture box. You must understand all these things properly, then it will help you to design a form appropriately. How can you design your form with the help of these controls. Okay, for that you have to remember all these things. Label, A is label. We use mostly label in the program. And text box also. Okay, frame is given here, command button is given here. We set command in the command button. In all these controls we set command. Okay, appropriate command according to the program. We will give appropriate name and appropriate command whenever required. Okay, check box, option button, combo box. Okay, and list box, H scroll bar मतलब horizontal scroll bar, V scroll bar means vertical scroll bar, timer, time is given a drive list box. Here you see from this you can drive list box you can bring, directory list box. Okay, we can take directly list box, file list box, shapes, lines, image and data OLE, all these are given here. Okay, now creating simple Visual Basic applications. First of all, very simple applications we will learn how to create. First of all, in here, are you seeing this window? Okay, dialog box. When you will double click on this form 1, okay, and any object, suppose a text box you are taking here, and in the text box when you will double click on the text box, then this coding window, you can say coding window will appear, and in the coding window you have to write in the middle of all these two lines. In the middle of these two lines you have to write your code and appropriate code, and then you have to press F5 to run your code. Okay, so I will show you this. Mostly in the general or command we will keep our project. Okay, now here we have to set the command. Many options are available here. Okay, mouse move, mouse down, mouse up, all these things are given here. Okay, where we are writing code here in the project one, and we are writing in the form, and in load it will remain by default. Okay, sub form load. So we will write, suppose we have a code beep, BEEP. If you will write, then your program will generate beep sound. Okay, it will generate like that. Any message if you want to print, then you can message, any message you can display on the screen. Okay, for example, one program is given here. Okay, like this. In the output it will come welcome welcome to Visual Basic tutorial. Okay, for this you have to click in the form. Okay, and after that you will see two things, private sub form load and sub. In the middle code is written here, form. Okay, code is written here, form 1. Okay, because what was the name of the form 1, because we have not given name. This is the default name of the form 1 dot show. What it will show, this is a function. It will show, what it will show, print double inverted comma, welcome to Visual Basic tutorial, close double inverted comma, double quote. We called this double quote, close this double quote. Okay, so this is a string, welcome to Visual Basic tutorial. So print means, it doesn't mean that it will print anything by printer. Print means it will show a result on the screen. Okay, print means, print is a command which shows a result on the screen. Okay, and sub. Then this code is completed. When you will press F5 in the form, then you will see this result on the screen. Microsoft, welcome to Visual Basic tutorial. Why? Because what message we are printing here? Welcome to Visual Basic tutorial. Like this only, private sub form active. Suppose we are printing the value. Next, if we want to sum, subtract, multiply, divide any two numbers, then we can write like this: print 20 plus 10, so it will execute 30. Print 20 minus 10, it will execute 10. Print 20 into 10, it will execute 200. Print 20 divided by 10, it will execute 2. So output you will see on the screen like this. Okay, so using print command you can write this, and you can also write all this instead of writing many print option. You can write in a single line: print 20 plus 10 comma 20 minus comma actually separates the term, these statements. Print 20 plus 10 comma separated, print 20 minus 10, like this you can write, and in one print you can execute all these results. Okay, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division: 30, 10, 200 and 2. So like this we have. And if we like, we can declare variable also, but here x is equal to 20 and y equal to 10. Print x plus y. We use dim command to take a variable. Okay, dim x, suppose dim x comma y as integer we will take, but here directly it is written here. So print x plus y, so you see the value is written here. Okay, print x minus y into all things are written here. And if you like, you can use you can concatenate, means you can join the words in a single line. Suppose Tom likes to eat burger, so A equal to Tom, B equal to, and this is in strings, that's why it is written within double quote. Okay, like this all word you write in double quote. After that using print command you add all this. Okay, A plus B plus C. Okay, and variables values are given this side, and these are the variables, and constants, string constants are given here. So A plus B plus C plus D plus E. So it will execute Tom likes to eat burger. Okay, the next I will show a few programs. I will execute few programs, and I will show how in practical all these works how can we do. Okay, so in the next video I will show you practical of this all coding. Okay, thank you.